This is the blizzard of 2011. This is Terry's truck. He just pulled it in, no, not even an hour ago. You can see by the hood of the truck, there's a lot on it. Betsy's car's pretty much been covered, but it hasn't went anywhere in a couple hours. And my truck's over on that side. I will step down. You can see, well, okay, that commercial truck there just got here, and the front's covered. It's blowing really all over. And here's my foot. And yeah, the fire hydrant's almost covered. And we still got, they're saying an inch an hour, and we still have, what, another 12, 13 hours more of this snow.